Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tracy, and today we're making rice and peas, but instead of using white rice or brown rice, I'm using wild rice today. So these are the ingredients, guys, that I'm gonna use. I've got my coconut here. I've got some cooked peas that's already cooked and was frozen. I got my scotch bonnet, green pepper, garlic, ginger, scallion, and thyme. And yeah, I got my wild rice over there. So we're just gonna get started, guys, and prep all these vegetables, get my coconut blended, and then we're all gonna get started, right? So let's jump straight into that. I said some fresh thyme, some spring onion, everything in there now, guys. I'm just allowing it to saute off before I add the rest of the ingredients. So as you can see, as I said before, no oil in there because the coconut oil milk already have a lot of oil, so I'm not gonna add no oil to this. So I'm gonna let this saute off for 2 to 3 minutes before I added the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so now, guys, I'm gonna add the coconut milk to the pot, and I'm gonna allow the coconut milk, guys, to cook for about 7 minutes, because you have to make your coconut milk cook. If the coconut milk don't cook, as I say, boil, you know, say the rice and peas it can't go keep, or for the next day it's gonna spoil. So you have to make your coconut milk cook properly. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook about 6 to 7 minutes, or say 5 to 6 minutes, whatever. And yeah, before I added the peas, because you know the kidney beans already cooked, so I don't want to add it in it now. So after me wait until the coconut milk boil before me put it in. And yes, so you will see all of that. So now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the peas, the kidney beans in the pot. It smells so good. This is another way of how you can cook your rice, and it's on medium heat. I also added some pimento in the pot, and you can see, guys, almost ready for the rice. You want to make sure you got enough liquid to put the rice in, because it's wild rice. The texture is different from normal rice, so you want to make sure you have enough liquid in there to cook it. Even though you can cook it and it's still saggy, you know, still don't want that. You don't want a soft rice, you want a nice rice. And you know the grains are kind of different, so you want to make sure you have enough liquid in there. Alright, so I'm just going to allow this to cook for another 3 minutes before adding the rice. So, guys, as you can see, the top of the coconut, you can see the oil on there. So that's the reason why I do not use oil or butter in my rice and peas, because you don't have high cholesterol and the fat already in the natural coconut, so you don't need to add that in there, because you can see all the fat, natural fat, and the oil from the coconut. So alright, just put it on low heat and let the steam from the pot steam your rice. So guys, that's the trick. When you're cooking rice, make sure you cook it in a good pot. You don't have to put plastic bag or foil paper. Once you cook it in a good pot and you put the rice in, you just turn it down on low heat and let it steam. So my rice gonna be on low heat now, and let it stay there and steam. So I'll see you in a bit. So, guys, this is how it looks. This is how the wild rice looks when it cooks. Tastes so good and it looks so good. So now we're gonna plate up, guys, for you to see what it looks like. So guys, this is the final product of my coconut rice and peas using wild rice, and this is how it turns out. Tastes so good, looks so good. And I'm having it with some fried plantain, some broccoli, cucumber, lettuce and tomato, with some coconut curry, butter bean and chickpeas. So yes guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload you won't miss that video. So guys, I just want to say thanks to each and everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel. I appreciate that. And then right, I'm gonna go and stay healthy, safe. Guys, make sure not eat healthy, stay safe. Until next time guys, I've got other content coming out. So until next time guys, I'm gonna go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye guys.